trail. See how it kind of breaks the, it's like a trail, like, whoop, and just be careful for sticks. Oh no, we got an obstruction. We got an obstruction of justice here.
You take a shortcut.
Yeah, well, that's not really a shortcut. That would probably turn into a nightmare up there. So let's go ahead and get over this. Give me your hand. Go ahead and step over it. Okay, we only got a couple of those to do. Step over that one. Okay, and we're good. All right. Whew. You got another obstacle. Now go ahead and go over that one. Just be careful. Okay, I'll hold your hand. Okay, very good, very good. Yeah, this is the easiest way. So we'll go this way. Okay, don't run, no running, because you just stay on the path right here. See the path? See this path? That's what deer walk on. Okay, we got one more obstacle. That's a new obstacle. That tree must have just fell. Okay, go ahead. Is your hat blocking your eyes? Pull up here, let's pull it back a little bit. All right, okay, stay up this way. We're almost there. Yep, just another one. You need Daddy's hand? Okay, you can put a hand on it if you want. That's just moss. Okay, you got it? All right. Okay, that obstacle now. All right. Good job. And we're here. See, pretty cool spot, huh? Just watch. I don't want you to fall down over there. You can use one of Daddy's. I forgot to use yours. I forgot to get yours. So Daddy will string this one up for you, and then we'll throw it out there and you can watch it. And if something bites it, it's your beach. Okay? But you gotta reel it in.
I know.
Okay. Yep, anywhere you want. Turn it around though. That goes the other way. Perfect. Perfect. Here, you want to put this one in the ground? Here? Go ahead, put that. No, put that one over here a little bit. Yep, right there. Perfect. Perfection. That's some good fishing rod placement. All right. What? Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. All right. What are we looking for back here? See over there? Okay, watch. We'll walk over here. I'll show you. That's where deer sleep. You want to see where deer sleep? Okay, go that way.
Yeah, that's what I was going to check out.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go check it out. Okay, over there. See over there where it's all flattened out right there? That's where deer sleep. They come down and sleep at nighttime or during the day sometimes. Well, we gotta go back over here. We're fishing. Our fishing stuff's over there.
Yes, we're right.
Okay.
We need to get back over there.
Okay. Just be careful. You gonna go that way? Okay, I'll go this way. No running. No running. Why'd you go that way? This way was clear.
This way is clear.
Oh, well, yeah, you just made it clear. Okay. We're currently heading back to the car because someone forgot their doll. So hopefully we don't get a bite while we're on our way back to the car. Yep, go over that. You need Daddy's help? Or you got it? Okay. Okay. Boom, we got it. All right. Up over the log. Okay, Daddy got you. All right. Okay, go over the other one. Okay, come on. All right. Yeah, we'll walk in the water again. Okay, give me your hand. We'll get down there. Oh, all right. All right. You know you don't have to walk in the water anymore, right?
I do. I want to walk in the water because it's fun.
I hope we're not missing the fish of our lives back there.
I think we'll be fine.
Hopefully. Hopefully he'll hook himself if he does. Oh. Oh!
I got these things on.
Definitely. Okay. Good thing. All right. One Elsa doll.
Hello, Elsa. Long way.
You're absolutely 100% positive you don't need nothing else from the car.
No.
What are you doing? Finding sticks? Finding sticks? All right. Here, you want these ones? Okay. Oh, you're doing great. And reel. Reel her in. Well, we didn't catch any fish today, but we had fun, huh? Exploring the woods, throwing sticks in the water. What do you think? You think you got one on there?
I think.
Okay.
Come on, fish. Get in there.
Get in here, fish.
Come on, fish.
Oh, we almost got it. Almost got it. Almost got it. Oh, is it a big one?
Yeah, I think.
You think so? Oh, okay. Well, we'll see.
Come on, fish.
Think you almost got it. What do you think? Oh, he must have come off. Oh no. Oh no, he must have got off of there. Oh well, next time, huh?
How about you this one? See, there's a fish on it.
Okay, hold on. Let's get this one put away first, and then we'll get that one in. Then you gotta wash your hands for Daddy, because you touched the fishing rod, and there's nasty crap all over Daddy's fishing rods. Okay, hold on. Wait for Daddy. Hold on 2 seconds.
Come on, Dad.
We'll just, and then we'll put it away, and we'll get the fish that's on that one. You think there's a fish on that one?
Yeah, I see it pulling.
You see it pulling?
Yeah.
All right, well, go ahead.
Here.
Oh,
Hey, it's going away.
good hook set. Hey, get that fish.
Yay!
Oh, is it a whale?
I think it's a whale.
Oh boy.
I think it's not a whale.
Okay, it's not a whale.
I think it is.
You think it's a catfish or a whale?
I think it's a catfish.
He's a fighter, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Big fighter.
Oh, a big fighter.
I'm trying to get this again.
You're doing great.
Ah,
Okay. Keep reeling.
I'm trying.
Okay. Reel it down.
I'm trying.
Okay.
More fish.
Come on, fish. It's a fighter.
Why did they do it?
Okay. Oh, he come off too. Oh, man. These fish today, I tell you what, they don't want to stay on the hooks, huh?
Yeah.
Tell 'em.
Thanks for watching and have a good day.